Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you, it's like a pull apart pizza dough. I make it with biscuits. It's really easy. I'm actually making it for my nieces and nephews. They're decorating the tree right now and it's lunchtime. So I thought that I would share this with you because they are the pickiest eaters on the planet. And if you have picky eaters in your life, this recipe is going to change your life, literally, because everybody loves it. So let me take you through your list of ingredients so that we can get started. Alrighty, so to make this, you're going to need biscuits, and all I did was I just cut them into fours. And here I have some Parmesan and shredded mozzarella, some melted butter, salt, garlic powder, pepper. I am using turkey pepperoni, but you can use whatever you'd like. You're going to need a bundt pan or any pan of any sorts, and you're going to preheat your oven to 325. Alright, so into my bowl with my biscuits, I just changed to a bigger mixing bowl because the other one was definitely not cutting it. You're basically just going to add everything. So I'm going to start with the melted butter. And the melted butter is going to give you that kind of glue that will hold all your seasonings together. Add in some salt, some black pepper, which I'm using just freshly ground black pepper. As little or as much as you want, that's up to you. You're gonna need some garlic powder. That's that. Again, as little or as much as you want. I like that garlicky flavor, especially like when you get pizza from like a pizza place. They always have that garlic around the edges. That's my favorite. I'm gonna add in both of your cheeses. And then finally your pepperoni. And you're just gonna give this a nice mix. Wish me luck. So I mixed everything really well. I actually ended up switching to my hands. It just worked a lot better, just to make sure everything was nicely coated. So now what we're going to do is into my already prepared pan. And again, if you don't have a bundt pan, use whatever you have. I'm just going to transfer all of this into here. And you got to remember this is going to rise because they're biscuits. And the baking time may vary, and I'll talk to you about that in 1 second. But here we go. This is perfection. Look at that. Alrighty, so everything is in my bundt pan, as you could see. Beautiful. And I actually put mine on a baking sheet. It's just a lot easier to take it in and out. You're going to bake this for about, I would say, anywhere between 20 and 25 minutes. Check on it. Different biscuits bake at different times, but usually I've always just had luck between 20 and 25 minutes or until it's fully cooked through. I'm going to put this in. And I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope your kiddos love it as much as my little ones do, well, my nieces and nephews. Thank you so much for spending your day with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also, I forgot to say, if you want, you can serve this along, girlfriend. You can serve this along like a jar or like a little thing of marinara dip. Perfect. Bye.